my name's Suzanne and I work for SEAI. In this video, we're going to be looking at vibrational energy. So here we have a tuning fork. Now, if I put this to my ear, does anything happen? No. But what about if I hit it off the desk? So what did we hear? We could hear a sound. Whenever a sound is heard, it means something is moving. So when I hit this fork off the table, the fork starts to vibrate. This vibrates all the molecules in the air, which vibrates my eardrum and creates a sound. What about if I hit the tuning fork and keep it on the desk? Does the sound change? Yes, we can hear it kind of vibrating through the desk as well as the forks. Why is this sound different? Well, it's because the molecules in the desk are more tightly packed together compared to the molecules in the air, which are more spaced out, and this gives us the different sound. Now, let's see if we can see the vibrations when I bang the tuning fork off the desk. They're pretty hard to see, but what about if we put it into the water? What happened that time? So when we hit the fork, we put it into the glass of water and the vibrations cause the water to splash out the glass. So whenever you hear a sound, there is movement.